Welcome back. I had been covering different classification of SQL command, and in today's video I will be showing transaction control language. Within this, specifically the commit command, how exactly this is going to work. So let me open the SQL command prompt. Let me connect to the user A account. Let me enter the password, and here it is. Let me tab select star from tab to see what are the existing table there are. Well, you can see over here I have a table called project. Okay, so that table which is there. So why don't we create a new table over here? So let me create a table called create. What will be the department name? Department DEPT, the table name, and then what will be the attribute? Let me give a very simple attribute like ID, and well, first we will write create table. Yes, create table, table name, and then ID, let it be int, okay, or number, whatever you feel like, or number, so it will be of size 2, and then let's go for a name which is a varchar 2 within bracket 20. A very simple table I have just created, and as I hit the enter it says the table created. Now my question is, what if I directly close the command prompt right from the close button? Will this particular table be still saved under this particular user A? Let's check it out. So I'm clicking the close button over here, and I didn't fire any commit command over here. Okay, so I close the command prompt. Now let's go and open the new command prompt over here, and let me log into the user account once again, user A, and the password I give. And now let's fire the command select star from tab. Am I going to see DEPT? Yes, the DEPT command, or the DEPT table rather, I created, it's still there. That's great. So select, or rather I will go, there's no tuple right now, but I can check out the attribute DSC DEPT. Yes, these are the two attributes I have created. It's absolutely there. Now what I will be doing is that I want to insert a tuple inside this table. So insert into table name is DEPT values, and I have an attribute ID. I'm giving the ID value as 1, and then whatever name you feel like, suppose HR, and then I close the quotation and the bracket semicolon. Yes, the row is created. Let's go for one more row, and here I'm giving suppose cells, and I'm changing the ID to 2. Well, the row is also created. Now my question is, what if without firing the commit command, if I close the table, what's going to happen? Will I still find these two tuples within this particular table under the following user? That's my question. So let's close the table now. I close the command prompt. Let me open the command prompt once again, and here it is. Let me log into the user A with the respective password. And now let's first check out whether the table is still there or not. Select star from tab, obviously it will be there. Yes, DEPT is still there. Select star, but what about the record? Let's go and check it out. Select star from, what is the table name? DEPT semicolon, and hit the enter. What are you seeing? Are you surprised? Few minutes ago I just created two, or I just inserted two tuples, and now it is saying no row selected. How can that be possible? Yes, this is what going to happen. Since insert is a command of what type? Data manipulation language. So let me scroll up over here, data manipulation language. So if you are firing data manipulation language, this is something which you have to remember. If you don't disconnect before that, if you don't go for commit, or if you just close it like this, the tuple will not be saved. Yes, it's not going to be saved. So that means insert into, you have to do the insertion again. insert into dpt within bracket values and then 1 and then HR. This was the one which I gave at first. Again, let me go for the cells, and now what I will be doing is I will be firing the command commit. I will be firing the command commit, and what it does, it will commit the record, it will save the record inside the table under the given user. So next time if I just close my command prompt like this, and then if I open the command prompt once again and log into the user A, and if I type select star from dpt, I will see the tuples, and here are the tuples, because I did go for a commit, and that's what the commit is all about. So commit means it's a process of saving the record, exactly saving it in the permanent memory, so that even after you go out of your command prompt or out of your account, and then next time when you come back you will be able to get the record. That's what the commit does. Well, what if I will go for update? How about that? So let's go for update. What the table name is dpt set. I want to change the name, so I'm writing name equals to from HR. I want to go for marketing. I want to give this name where ID is equal to 1. Okay. By the way, this is the command, so let me save this command. Okay, I have saved it. Let me open the notepad. I will paste it over here so that next time I don't have to run the command once again. And I hit the enter. It says the update record got updated. So let me fire the select star. Yes, here is the HR and here is the marketing. So it has correctly edited the value, right? But again, without firing the commit, what will I do? I will close the command prompt, and I did that exactly. So now what do you think what will happen? Well, better you go and check it yourself. So con user A, it's really exciting, isn't it? And you have logged in, and now let's go and write select star from dpt semicolon. Great, you are unable to see the change. Whatever was the previous value, that is reflected over here. Yes, since update is also under DML, so the implementation is exactly the same like what it is in case of insert. Okay, so that's the reason why I actually saved this query. So let me copy this query and let me paste back once again. Yes, it's updated, and make sure you go for a commit. Okay, you have committed it. So now you can simply close the command prompt, you can come back over here and you can open it, you can log in again, and this time surely you are going to see the changes. Select star from dpt. Wow, HR is no more, it's gone, right? Interesting. And the last but not the least, we will try out even with the delete. So delete from dpt where ID is equal to 2. Okay, I want to delete this following tuple, so let me copy it from here and let me paste it over here. Record deleted. So select star. Yes, cells is gone, right? And me, without going for commit, I just go and close this command prompt, and what will be the consequence of that? Let's go and check it out by your own self. So let me connect for the last time, and let me fire the select star from dpt. Select star from dpt. Are we going to see the tuple? Yes, we will see the tuple. Just because we didn't go for a commit, that's the reason. The delete being under the data manipulation language, this problem will still persist in case of delete. Okay, so the point is very clear cut. In case of data definition language, when you fire the create, the record is saved permanently, but when you go for DML, it is not saved. So you are supposed to do what? Well, first let me delete the let me first delete. Here is my command. Let me copy this and let me paste over here. It's deleted. Don't forget to go for commit, otherwise you have a problem, right? And now it's gone. So if I close it, and one more time, if I log again to the user, let's go for user A, and then select star from DPT. Yes, it is done. That tuple is no more. So it's got very clear that in case of data definition language, you don't have to go for commit. Behind the scene, the commit will take place by itself. Otherwise, in case of data manipulation language, it's your responsibility to go for the commit. Then only the record are going to be saved permanently in the hard disk. Okay, do remember this point. So that was all about commit. In my next video, I will be coming up with a very interesting query that is called rollback.